In this video, I'm going to show you how to use limit order on Kalshi. The first thing you want to do is you want to open up the Kalshi app like you normally would. Once you're over here, all you want to do is you want to go ahead and look for something that you want to use the limit order for. So let's go to the politics section and let's go ahead and select on this option. I do want to reiterate that this video is not financial advice. I am simply showing you how to use the tools on the app itself. So you want to go ahead and select on it. Then what you want to do is you want to go to the top right and select over here, and you're actually able to go ahead and determine whether you want to buy in terms of dollars, shares, or limit order. So just to reiterate, a limit order lets you choose the exact price you're willing to buy or sell a contract at rather than taking whatever the current market price is. So what you want to do is you want to go ahead and enter in the amount of shares over here. And obviously, you want to go ahead and put in your limit price just like so. Once you're done, all you need to do is you need to press on review and you should be good to go. Once again, this is not financial advice. However, you're able to use this method in order to use limit orders. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next tutorial.